Is internet a problem for farmers? A few days ago, I was doing a video call with a bee farmer in Kenya, and then all of a sudden, there's like a disruption or a sudden problem with communication on our video call. So he mentioned that he's having problem with his internet connection. So I assume he lives in the province, and that's the reason why he cannot contact properly because of the internet. Today, I had a video call, with a few farmers in Ghana. Same situation, same problem, internet connection also. The video bugs down. Their voice is delayed. I don't really understand what they're saying. So, is this also a problem to you in your province? Because if it is, then it is a major concern. The reason why it is a major concern is if you don't have proper communication, it will be difficult for farmers in terms of talking to buyers, in terms of talking to suppliers and partners, and a lot more. So, although this is not my field of expertise and area, but we should, if internet is a problem in the province for farmers, we should do something about it. So we could discuss this further about what internet can we acquire or partner with. Probably in one country first, one district, and start from there, build from there. Because I know a lot of companies who's providing internet, but which one are the most reliable, the most fast when it comes to speed, because investors and foreign companies, they need to communicate properly with these farmers um, regularly. Okay, so we can deep dive into this as we move forward, but yes, I believe internet connection is very important, and I need your feedback on how can we make this better for you farmers.